Mom, the house looks so messy. When are we going to clean it? Mother, Beta, I know it's a bit messy right now, but I've been busy with work. We'll clean it today, inshallah. Girl, inshallah. I'll help you clean my room too. Mother, that's a good girl. We'll make the house sparkle. Great. Here's what you need to do. First, pick up all your toys and put them in the toy bin. That's a good start. Next, make your bed and straighten the sheets and pillows. After that, put away your clothes in the closet and arrange your shoes neatly. Excellent. Finally, dust the shelves and wipe down your desk. Your room will be nice and clean. Mother, of course, dear. Just be careful with the electronics. Thanks, Mother.